In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Behance Portfolio link, a crucial skill for any creative professional looking to gain exposure and connect with potential clients or collaborators. Being able to effectively share your work allows your skills to gain the visibility they deserve. We're going to walk through this process thoroughly to ensure you have the confidence to share your portfolio with the world. Let's start by heading over to the Behance website and logging into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From this page, we'll locate your portfolio. To do this, click on your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This action will drop down a menu where you can select Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly to your personal portfolio page, showcasing all your projects and achievements. Now, let's talk about finding your portfolio link. While on your portfolio page, look up at the address bar in your browser. The URL displayed there is your unique Behance portfolio link. It's this link that you will share with others to showcase your work. Sometimes, the URL can be quite long and not very aesthetically pleasing when shared. So, you might want to consider shortening this URL. A great tool for this purpose is a URL shortener service like Bitly, which can make your link more concise and easier to manage when posting online or sending via messages. Sharing your portfolio link is the next step. There are multiple ways to go about it, depending on your audience and preferences. You might want to start by sharing it directly with friends or clients via email. Create a new email and consider writing a brief introductory message where you explain why you're sharing your portfolio and what they can expect to see. Always offer a warm invitation for feedback or questions. Paste your Behance link at the end of this message, ensuring it's clickable. Sending it in this format can be particularly professional if you're reaching out to potential clients or network connections. Additionally, you can share your portfolio link on social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Go to your preferred social media site and start a new post. Alongside your link, add a little context or description to entice people to click and explore your creative work. Remember to keep it engaging so that your followers become curious to see more. If you're already part of specific online communities or forums related to your field, sharing your portfolio there can also generate valuable exposure. Always respect the community's rules about self-promotion, and consider engaging with other posts before and after sharing your own link to foster genuine connections. By making sure your audience understands the value and unique aspects of what you create, you'll effectively increase the reach and impact of your work. Now you're equipped to confidently share your Behance portfolio with a broad audience. Enjoy the connections and opportunities that come your way when your hard work is seen by more people. That's all for today's video, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful.